Alright, chat. I'm gonna do a glitch.
Okay, guys.
And then I'm gonna be back.
We have
Actually,
a
bro,
special monkey.
Just come with me. Come with me.
We have a special monkey. He's special. See, told you. He wants to do the planetarium glitch thingamabobber.
Alright, brethren, we must gear up. Follow me.
He's gonna touch me.
Yes, I am.
Do I need to get a pickaxe for us? I'm gonna get a pickaxe. Sir, do you want a pickaxe?
No, we don't need one. For what we're doing, we don't need one.
How? We're going to the planetarium.
Yeah. All we need is that, and then get 2 rockets.
Well, wouldn't we need that to mine the stuff?
No, just gain trust. So,
I bring
your
bag
backpack,
because.
Wait, frick. Open your backpack real quick. Oh wait, actually I can just drop it in. Boop. And.
Oh, I know what you're doing. Do you want me to bring a light source?
No, we don't need one.
Okay, not where we're going.
Open your bag one more time. Thank you. Oh, there we go. Alright, so take your grappler. Follow me.
I put one in. Yo, you there? Oh well, he died. That's fun. That's awesome. That is spectacular. Great.
Yo, behind you. My Wi-Fi cut out. Sorry.
Okay. Never mind. I thought I was gonna have to end the video real quick. I thought you died.
You go back here. What's up? Just go down.
Yo, quick question, guys.
Chat.
For you that's watching the video, do y'all want me to post more content, like more
so
like
I might have to go soon.
Yeah.
Alright, give me my extra. Give me my other rocket. Give me my other rocket, gang.
Oopsies.
There we go.
Wait, put the dynamite
that one
back.
up.
Yeah, put the dynamite back in there.
No, just tap it. Tap the bottom to that. Oh my god, bro.
Shut up.
Just put it in. Just put it in. There. Alright. Ready?
What are we aiming?
You see those wires over there?
Yeah.
We're gonna press the top 2 buttons.
I know. I know how to activate these things.
Ready?
Okay.
3, 2, 1.
When you get in here,
What's up, brother? I haven't been in here in so long.
Oh man, I'm powering off.
Okay, well, I'll continue this journey for you. Okay, so. Like I said, we're gonna continue the journey. Now, I don't think I can get research points. But. Oh, dang. So now I can buy the. Oh, I can finally get the bag. Let's go. Wait. Do I have anything else? Nope. Okay, good. Unless. No, I need that broccoli. I haven't been to the planetarium in so long. Kind of scary me. As long as I think we were in this gravitational cool. We'll be fine. Alright, after this, after these couple, I'll just see what we're at. Oh yeah, we're almost full. I'll just wait for them to respawn. I think they do, right? I'm not dumb. Or am I? Yeah, the growing broccolis are the best. More health benefits. But anyways, like I was saying earlier before I was interrupted by that monkey, if you want to see more kind of guerrilla movement content, I can do. Oops. Okay. That kind of crap. Well, I don't know, like guerrilla tag. Anything else y'all would want? Is that a broccoli? Oh, that's a broccoli. That was well hidden. Like one more. Grapplers are so goated. I still don't have one, technically. As in broke boy. No, that's one more. That's one more needed. Or not needed, but like me want what me need. Oh, I haven't been to this place in such a long time. I haven't changed it. I'm kind of glad. Look at it, it's so pretty. I become big. Oh, that's pretty cool. Is there any more? I don't think there is. If only I brought more bags. Oh, I'm gonna go to this planet. And obviously, I want to just see if they respawn, so it's kind of a bad video, I know about it. But, I mean, I don't know about it, but like, I know it is. Because, obviously, he left, and yeah, it's kind of sad because I won't be posting for a bit. Because I'll be busy. Oh, that's cool. No, I want back Earth. I'm gonna try and see. Just get one. Maybe. But anyways, if you hate the mines, hit that follow button. But seriously, if y'all can like and subscribe so I will know if y'all like this video. And if any of you guys can help me with a situation that I'm having about being too scared with this game, I would greatly appreciate it. Like I said, if y'all watched my last video, my quote-unquote fan code for this game would be YubTub. Just that. Okay. I think we're good. I don't think we need a full bag unless I see one more. I'm gonna grab it. I mean, if we see one more, obviously we're gonna grab it. Yeah. Just full scan. Ooh, big grappler. Me got grappler? Oh, it's so cute. Grappler. Owie, that hurted. Oh, I'm fine. We have to do these things. If y'all can explain why they have this over here, I mean... Oh, crap. I think I know a reason, and because, like, people over there, I've had that experience. People just steal. My game's lagging. But anyways, y'all know. People steal. Now, just be careful. Just be rational adults here. Oh, that's not good. That is... Ooh. Oh, that ain't good. To have that full of all that. I like that bag. These are my necessities. Also, bag of necessities. Except for shotguns. I don't need that many shotguns. I have the one. Join the code. I think that'll be, yeah. That's why I have an apple. I don't know if this is rare. I think that's Galaxy, so I'll just keep that. Hopefully y'all see my content because I've been trying to grow my YouTube channel with new stuff. Oh, this is hard. Actually, it's not. I'm dumb. Me have money. Yeah. Sorry for the it's kind of weird doing all this because of obvious reasons. Obviously. Crap, what do we need? What do we need? Bag. Where's the bag? Okay, all the way up there. Kinda hate where it's located at. For the longest time I just stole off of people. Mainly because it broke. Untrustworthy. A brokey. And I'm still it's mainly that I didn't have the items. So where? That's mega flashed up. Oh, I hate you. I hate you so much, game. You're a good game, but I hate you. Oh, I'm so dumb. I need to buy the research points that I currently do not have. And wow, guys, we have enough. Miraculously. How did that happen? Y'all. It's like magic. Like I said, love-hate relationship with this game sometimes. Out of my way, please. I have places to go, people to meet. Well, not really people to meet, because I'm not like that. But, so, why is that there if that's right? Okay. Kinda lost. Yes. Okay, so what's over there? That's basketball. That's the leopard pattern. And that's not MREs. Yeah, so yeah. That'll be the end of today's video, and probably for a while till Thursday, because I don't know, because I can't. I don't know. Tiny brain, tiny rules. Actually, you know what? I'll take these shotguns. And I'll put you right there. I feel like I've accomplished so much today, but when I really haven't, it's kinda. I'll put you there. And I'll put you there, and then you there. But yeah, anyways. Peace out, guys. I will hopefully, maybe, I don't know, probably post a video on Thursday, maybe later today. I don't know. I know I said that, but then I didn't post yesterday. I might have. I don't know. I don't remember. Goodbye. See you guys in the next video. Like, subscribe. Equal better videos for you because you guys deserve it.